You know, sir, there are other games like this where you can make even more. Come on, it must sound tempting.
Hey, dude. Is this a new pyramid scheme or what? Look, I'm desperate, okay?
You people are horses. Horses at a racetrack. We bet on you. I never thought you'd make it this far. Who are you? Imagine it was a dream. And for you, it turned out to be a good one.
Let me play the game again.
You want to play again?
I want you to send me in there again.
A few moments ago, weren't you telling me to stop the game?
Your rich bosses will love it, won't they? The returning winner who came back to play. Make it all even more entertaining.
Player 456. Welcome back to the game.
Everyone! Everybody, you need to pay attention! Hey, listen up! I'm going to tell you something and you gotta listen close. This isn't just a game, it's more than that. If you move after red light, you're gonna be shot! Play these games before! I said I played these games before! I knew about the first game because I'd already done it. Because I'd played the exact same one. I was here 3 years ago, and I played them all! And every single person who was there with me, they were all killed, everyone! Okay. Here's the deal. We're gonna head up that staircase, up to where these masked men run this whole place, and we'll capture the people who captured us.
Player 456. Did you have fun playing the hero? Now, witness the consequences of your little game.
You?
Why'd you let me live and no one else? Why didn't you kill me? Answer me! What's it for, huh? You didn't let anyone else live. Why?
Hey, 456. Tell me something. Was this part of your plan the whole time? Oh, that's it, isn't it? You get everyone to join your little rebellion, so you can get rid of them all at once.
Hello, Gil. I'm sorry about Zhongwei.